Hey, this is Andrew Brown. In this follow along, I want to go ahead and create ourselves a static website. So apparently what we can do is use our username and do github.io, and that should allow us to turn this into a static website. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and initialize a README, and we'll make this a repo public. And we'll see if it's as simple as they say it is. I'm going to go ahead and add a new file here. This one is going to be an index.html file. So we'll just go ahead and say index.html. And I need a little bit of code here. So I'm just going to get a template for an index.html page. Maybe we can get one from Free Code Camp. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one here. I don't need any JavaScript, so I'm just going to take that out there. We'll give that a preview. Looks fine to me. We'll go ahead and commit those changes. And so the question is this a static website? I don't know. Let's go ahead and copy this. Maybe we have to turn it on. Nope. But we can go try to figure it out by going over to here. And so I'm carefully looking for that static website hosting. I've done it before. It's just been a while. And yeah, it's pages over here, pages. Here we go. So build and deployment. So deploy from a branch. That's the classic experience. I'm totally fine with that. And I'll choose main. Okay. What happened? It used to just let you do static pages. Let's go take a look here. Create the .io. That's what I did. I followed the instructions on this page. And if the repository doesn't match the name exactly, it won't work. Okay. Add an index page. Okay, sure. Push, and you're done. Well, I did all that. So I'm going to try this again. Oh, okay. It just needed some time to propagate. But here, it looks like we can do a little bit more. So if we were to integrate Jekyll and deploy it and like integrate it, we could deploy that. Jekyll is pretty cool. It's a little bit out of scope for this certification. The other thing that's interesting is you could add a custom domain. GitHub doesn't seem to really care about GitHub pages for the exam. So, it's on there, but I didn't see any questions. So this is why it's so light that we're covering here. But that's it, okay?